Take this with a grain of salt. On unusual whales, we have some firms here and their price targets and recommendations as well. Guggenheim 170 price target with a seller recommendation, and then Canaccord Genuity 404 price target with a buy recommendation. UBS 225 sell, and then Wedbush here 550 buy, and then Baird 370 buy. All right, and then Bank of America here has it at 380 as a hold. And let's go ahead and go straight into the chart today. So today we have a 6% move up so far. Let me check the 30-minute chart. We had a high of 251.69, just rejecting that 200 EMA there on the 30-minute chart. Back out to the daily chart though, I want to share with you the potential downside as well as the potential upside. So I mentioned this in our previous video. I'm going to go ahead and update it right now as well to our current price today, being March 12th, 2025. Current price at 246. The downside for Tesla, if there is a reversal back down right from where we're at currently, I think the most downside we have is 213, and that's about a 13% drop from where we're at currently. And if I scroll out here, you can see it, and this is just my opinion, take this with a grain of salt. You can see the risk reward here that I have set up. Obviously, I'm not saying we're going to test 488 immediately, but long term, I do think 488 is going to be tested, and we're going to overcome it to a new all-time high for Tesla stock. And again, I'm not going to say it's going to happen during this year, but I want to show you that the current price and to the all-time high is going to be about a 98% move towards the top side. And in terms of the downside, you can see it's only 13%. This is the daily chart now. I'm going to go ahead and delete this upside move. That way you can see what I'm going to be talking about here in the short term. In the short term, I do expect Tesla to test towards 272. It's going to be about a 10 to 11% move, followed by the 200 EMA on the daily chart. It's going to be closer towards $300 there. So I think $300 is going to be tested here within April. And I think within March, 272 should be tested. These price targets here that I have set up should occur a lot sooner than people are expecting. So obviously, I said 300 might be tested within April. It's possible that 300 might even be tested within March. We're just going to have to see how the price action turns out going into the next couple of days here for this week of March. Friday is going to be March 14th there. And I think Friday, we either see a test back down to 237, or Friday, we might see a test up to 272. So that's just something to keep an eye out for. And that's going to be about a 10% move towards the upside, or a possible 4% move back down towards the bottom side here. Personally, I'm leaning towards 272, and I do think we'll get that test towards 300. Let me know what you guys think down below for Tesla stock during this week. I have major resistance set up here at 272, 313, 355, and 406. Long term, I do think we get that reversal back up towards the top side. If you don't have a community yet for Tesla stock, I highly recommend joining our community. Link down below in the description. We have over 32,000 members, and it's free to join. If you're looking for our live entries and exits, you can also join our Patreon. We currently have a 90% off permanent discount as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. Live entries and exits on stocks and options from 20 analysts.